This week we've been making some truffles using our lovely drinks. Drinks, in fact, that we think fathers would like for Father's Day. So we've made up a little Father's Day box of 6 different drinks. We've made 6 varieties of truffles. All you need is some cream, some chocolate and some butter, and maybe a little egg box of delights Father's Day gift box with our drinks. Try one now, because we've been making these all afternoon. It's France's lovely recipe and they look amazingly delicious. Which one will I try? That's the issue. I think this one. We made this with Seville Orange Gin and we got a bit of cocoa powder on the edge. Oh, gorgeous. I have a really hard job trying all these nice things. It's taken hours to make this, but that is really delicious. If you're looking for new recipe ideas, these truffles, so easy, so delicious, why not give it a go? We're at home, we were thinking of ideas for recipes that didn't need any flour, and this is a good one. So if you're struggling to get the right ingredients for most things, actually, hopefully, you can get the ingredients for these truffles. Have fun making them. I hope they're successful. See you next time. Wow. Can I have some more, please? These are delicious. I can't.
Sorry, I'm just going to read the sheet.